Hello everyone, I have another case video for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This is from Caseology and the case is Nano Pop in Blueberry Navy. That is the color. You can get it on Amazon for $21.99. Here is the page here. It comes in different colors. It's burgundy bean, blueberry navy, and black sesame. So go ahead and check it out. Again, it was $21.99. I believe I actually got it with a $5 coupon. I don't know if that was just a Prime Day deal or not, but I paid $16.99 for it. So we'll go ahead and unbox it here. I've got Caseology. So I remember Caseology when they first came out. I felt like they had some pretty good cases. And you know, they got kind of pricey. Some of the cases I felt got kind of cheap. So let's see what we got here. So got some stuff here. Let's see. Do you need a fresh start? So it comes with a little, it comes with a wipey for your screen. Okay, small little gift from Caseology. Well, that's a little different. And here it is. This is Nano Pop Blueberry. Kind of looks like gives me Cal Berkeley vibes. Any shout out to any Berkeley Bears out there. UC Berkeley. Like dark navy with yellow, very yellow. Okay. TPU. It says silicone, but it feels more like, it's not really silicone, it's TPU. This is rubber. It doesn't feel like silicone. Well, I guess technically silicone is rubberish, right? But it doesn't have that Apple silicone case feel, or even the case, the Autofly case that I unboxed when I unboxed the Pixel 8 Pro. It doesn't have that same kind of feel. This feels like TPU. So it's a TPU case. I'm not sure. I guess this is supposed to help with shock absorption somehow. I'm not really sure how that works. It does feel like it's a little extra sticker of rubber with little lines on it. So I guess that's supposed to help. This is actually pretty solid. This is a hard, well, not hard plastic, but it's a plastic here. This is a little harder. And yeah, it's pretty flimsy, so it's not gonna, it seems like it'll actually do okay with drop protection, but it's not gonna be a massive, you're not talking like a sub case with, you know, huge, bulky protection around it at all. So here's the, oops, let's see here. Let me get my 8 Pro lined up here. And here we go. I was playing around with some of some of the wallpapers there, but I'll probably settle on one eventually. So there it goes. Here's a Caseology case. It fits really nicely. It's got some really good grip on the side here. So this is very grippy. It's got like some ridges, Caseology branding. It's got some ridges here, and it's very grippy. So if you want something pretty grippy, this is pretty. Kind of feels like almost like calluses. Like when I don't know if you ever weight lift a lot, you get calluses right there. That's kind of what it feels like. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's pretty grippy. There's the cutouts. They seem to be pretty well lined up. And no buttons on this side. Google, always on this side here. Volume up and down works. Yep, pretty good. All right, so looks like it works pretty solid there. I was just loading the fingerprint scanner. Now I can't get it to go. Oh, there you go. Wow, I don't know. We'll do that later. So yeah, it looks pretty good. All the cutouts work. Camera section here. Looks like it gives you pretty good protection actually, because it's not just like the lip protection, but it also has this hard plastic around it. So yeah, it looks like it'd actually do pretty well. You know, 21 bucks. Luckily I got the coupon with it. I would say I'd be happy paying 16 bucks for it. That seems pretty solid. Fair enough. 21, not sure about that, but if you like it, it does cover your phone, so you gotta like the color. Covers up the nice porcelain color. It gives some pretty good lip protection. Yep, pretty solid enough. It doesn't give you a lot. It's not really high above there, but it's actually, it's solid enough. It's good enough on all sides there. Yeah, so that's the Case Pop case from Caseology on Amazon for $21.99 if you're so inclined. This is always the part that kind of bugs me a little bit. It is a pretty huge cutout there. That just seems a little flimsy. But, you know, most of the cases are like that, unfortunately, unless you get like a hard plastic case and then it's rigid. It looks like it'll be okay. Again, I don't think it'll offer massive drop protection, even though they say it's military grade tested. It doesn't mean it was military grade successful. So you always got to watch the words, you know, for the wording with these companies. But anyhow, Caseology Nano Pop Case. It's pretty okay. I would say it's solid enough. If you like the color, if you like the style, definitely give it a thumbs up for the grip. Lots of grip with the ridges here. And I would say the camera protection looks pretty good. That's actually another solid feature of it. Don't know if I want to cover that pretty porcelain color, but it's nice. Okay, well, that's all for now. Just want to share that with you. Hope you're well. Hope your family's well, and see you next time. Take care.